Hi everybody and welcome back to Diamond Paints with Mike on this really hot day. Today it is scorching, but we have a craft body unboxing brought to you by Vinted. And at first when I got this out of the locker I could not believe how big it was. So I think I've kind of underestimated the size of this. This is a scroll from Craft Body. Never done a scroll before, so this is going to be very interesting. And when I got it out, it said Scoot on it, and I was like, what is this, like, what is this? Because I thought they had put someone else's parcel in my slot of the locker, if you get me. Because I was like, I didn't order a scooter, but, yeah, so it is the correct item, because I was having a laugh with the seller, and I was like, why have you sent me a scooter? And she put, haha, that was, like, the only box she had. So, yeah, I'm very intrigued as to what this is big. Now when I looked at it, it said that it was 35, I think it was 35. Have we got a scalpel? That's what I want. Just use this craft knife thing just to get down the side of it, because sometimes you just need a bit of a craft knife just to get down there, because it's so hard to get and there's so much tape, and you see it just bends down really easily now. So let's get into here. I think I've opened this upside down. Oh look, oh how cute. She loves me, doesn't she? Look, she keeps on sending me these lovely little gift packs. Oh my god, I love these packs. Wow. And we've got two washi tapes which have little, what's that, a butterfly? Yeah, tiny little winny butterfly, and then some stars. So that's nice. And then in here we got, I get the impression she likes wolves, because she sent me wolves last time, which was nice. Oh look, that's a lovely one. You just need like a moon painting, and then he's like barking up or howling at the moon. And then we got some of these must come from Team. Oh look, the trees. Oh, they're very magical. Look, all them lights. Oh, how cute. Oh, a barn owl. Oh, wow. I love barn owls. Oh my god, like the barn owl was like one of the first ever paintings I did on the channel. I love barn owls. When I was little, at school, we had a barn owl come in, and they did a photograph of us, and we all got to like have the owl resting on our shoulder and have a photo with it. God knows where that is, because my dad's got that somewhere. But I would love to have shown you, but yeah, he has the photo of that, because I was way young, like really like at preschool back then. So back then I wouldn't have had my own sort of camera and what have you. So wow, okay, cool. So in here, we've got a note, and it says thank you. And oh my god, this is huge. Look at the packaging, people. So much beautiful packaging. Yeah, this is massive. And look, she's only got me lots of bubble wrap, so I'll reuse that. So this is massive. Look at this. Oh my god, this is stunning. Look at this. This is the Craft Body screw, and 35 times 45 centimeters, and that's what it looks like. So you've got like this hut thing, and what I really liked about this is the fact that you've got a few things going on here. You've got a mountain, you've got like a pavilion where someone might want to sing and dance. There seems to be a lady sitting here. You've got the bridge, the water, and it's almost like she's sitting there waiting for someone to do a performance of a show or something. And I've just noticed, look, little goldfish. By god, this is gonna be a beauty once done. Now the lady that I bought this from, she does the new, you know, the Craft Body are doing these mystery boxes things where you pay, I think, is it £25, and then you get like £60 worth of goods for the mystery box. And I believe she said this was in that box, so she didn't really like it. And I saw it and I was like, wow, because I bought a few things off her. So she's the lady that gave me, what was the other thing I unboxed? Good god, I really can't remember. But she's the lady that gave me, you know, we had another wolf pack of stickers, which were these ones. So it's from the same seller. So let's get into this. Oh wow, look at that. You've even got woods. Do you know what? This is so new to me. I have never in all my life done a scroll kit before. This is really new, so this must be, oh my god, look at the rendering, Kathy. Oh wow. Oh my god, that is so clear. And look, these wooden beams. So that's interesting. Let's just take a look at this. Yeah, it looks as if it's on a wooden plinth, and then you've got the hanging scroll. Oh my god, I've really picked a beauty here. It's brand new, as you can see. So this is what I say, people, go on Vinted, because you're gonna save money. I put in an offer for this and she accepted my offer, so you get like a make an offer tool, and you know, just put an offer in, they may accept it. And yeah, I get so much discount by doing it through Craft Buddy, sorry, Vinted. And oh my god, this is so clear. There is partial here, but look at this. I feel like I've got to be super careful. This is interesting. This feels like it's stuck to the actual canvas, but they've got like a cut off legend here that you cut off, and just look at all these wonderful colours. I don't think there's any ABs in this, because I'm new to crafts, scrolls. And in here, look, we've got that lovely sheet again. I really would love to get that little owl notebook. That's really nice. Oh look, a little turtle as well. Why is Craft Buddy so luxury? It's just lovely, isn't it? And oh, look at this. Wow. So you actually cut off this bit up the top. It's licensed by Craft Buddy. Look at this. It's so clean. Really lovely and posh. You know, I've never seen such a clean piece of white canvas. And look at that. You've got your string there. And then let's turn it over. This is stunning. Oh my dude. Oh my god. Oh my god. People, you need this painting. Look at this. So clear. Oh wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, I've picked a really good one here. And look, this is something nice. We do so many animal paintings, and I really fancied a break from animal paintings. And we've got this lovely lady here. She's just sitting here. She's got a gorgeous pink dress with like a white bit. And this is a very old-fashioned umbrella. These sort of remind me of, you know, the ones you get in cocktail drinks, and you push the umbrella and you get to put it in your drink. But this is, oh my god, I can't get over this, people. This is just absolutely money well spent on this. This is so clear. I can't get over it. I mean, you've got this lovely tree. You've got all down here, the bridge, the water is so beautifully coloured. And you know, even here we've got partial bits here, and there's like a lamppost thing there. I don't actually know what that is. It looks a bit like a fire hydrant. And then what's lovely is you've got that clear, you know, partial bit at the top. But as I say, that I feel like this is like perhaps somewhere where you would do like a show or something. Let's get into the oh yeah, that feels gorgeous. Oh wow, that's a very strange. It's not like your rough canvas. So for example, on here it would be like a rough canvas, whereas this one feels really nice and soft. And then as you can see, the stick, oh my god, this has got to be one of the best paintings I've ever bought from Craft Buddy. I am so happy with this. And Craft Buddy's just launched a Star Wars mystery box, and I'm really hoping they do a Marvel one, because I love Marvel. But my friend who sells on Vinted, she does mystery boxes, and one of the things she got was, in her mystery box was a flower one, because they do like a floral one, and I've bought that, so that's going to come as well. So we've got the boat and wax and that, and then these are our drills. I can't stop looking at this. This is such a beautiful piece. I mean, even down to like this bit with the little water lilies. You've got fish coming through. It's just, these are partialed. Oh my god, this is stunning. I've never ever done a scroll, and you know what my channel's about? I love to find new and wacky things. So anything that is different than a canvas, I love funky, wacky things. You know, anything that is, I don't know, like a tissue box. That is in the pipeline, people. We need to make a tissue box, because they sell done paint tissue boxes. And I was having a shopperoo on Temu last night, because they've given me another late credit. And you won't believe what I found last night. I'm going to keep it a surprise. So when it comes, you'll see what it is, because I really want to tell you what it is, but it's too good to, like, it's too good. So I'm going to keep you guessing on that one. I've never seen this sort of thing before. So I really want to tell you what it is, but I can't. I'm going to be good and surprise you. So we've got very small pink teardrops. We've got some yellow and white, and then in here, as I said, looking at that, I don't think we've got any ABs in this one. Would have been nice to have some ABs, but purple, lilac, we've got a brown, a black, blue, a light blue, a grey, another grey, a peachy pink, a brown, a grey, burgundy, I reckon. Lots and lots of sexy pink, really beautiful pink here. That's going to be in the ladies' dress, so that's brilliant. And then we've got the white, red, green, a minty blue. I love that colour. That is stunning. What is you? You is 775. So if you want a minty green, it's 775. We've got a burgundy, a blue. There's so many colours in this. A grey, a brown, sort of brownie colour as well. And then we got, I can't actually, it's bugging me now what else I ordered from her. I've uploaded it, but I can't remember what it was. Oh, you know what it was? It was that crystal castle that we got, the LED light up. That's what it was. Yeah, that's what it was. But yeah, I wonder why she didn't want this thing, because it's such a beautiful one. Really, really lovely painting. And then we got a white, a yellow, a light blue, teal, another blue. That's like a, what colour is that? That's gorgeous. Hashtag, that's coming up, hashtag 3644, I think that is, yellow. And then we've got a grey, a orangey colour, a blue, a green, a lime green, and a green. So the only problem is with this is, because my channel is structured on themes, where would we put that into a theme? We need to figure out a theme that could fit into, because this is like some lady that is sitting on a bridge with this hill thing. So I don't know, maybe a landscape theme of like just places where people sit and have their lunch or something. I mean, if we ever got that Chuck Pinson one that I want, we could incorporate that in with it. But I'll tell you something, I don't know what this is called. Oh yeah, there we go, it's called Pavillion. So if you want to get this, get it with Craft Buddy. I got mine through Vinted. I'm very happy with it. It's a 35 times 45 centimeters. I'm over the moon with that. Very, very happy. It was in the locker last night. I got it last night, but it was so bloody hot. I got in from work and just totally forgot to go and get it. And I thought, I'll leave it till about 9 o'clock and then I can go and get it because it will cool down. And by the time I got back, because we normally get daylight up till like 9:30, and by the time I got back, the light had gone. So I was like, it's been sitting on my worktop. Like, I was kind of gonna open it, and then, because I was so excited, you know that one like I got with Paula, I just had to get into it. Well, I felt like, oh, shall we just open it or shall I be really patient? And I decided to be very patient and open it today. But it's been well worth the wait. But I'll tell you something, their canvas is so soft, it's lovely. I have never seen anything like this, so elegant, so beautiful. And look, you don't even have to get a frame, it's all on there for you. Look, this is going to be such a beautiful one to do. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe. I can't wait to get working on this. And I will see you again soon for another unboxing. Your next one is Tino. Thank you for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.